mga liko-liko ni mo or mga kabada, gamiton man ako ang among hips. Dili man mo gamit og kamot. Diba? On how you are going to turn to the left or to the right, mas may gamiton ninyo mostly. Diba? Kamot. So example, we use our hips. So that's it. That's why our exercise should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay? Okay? Okay, everybody stand. Okay, when I say riders exercise, riders position, everybody should stand. Okay? Okay. Riders position, move. Okay, that's it. Again. Riders position, move. Riders exercise, move. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Hop. Okay, everybody sit. So that is very important. Although medyo katawanan siya, pero that is very useful when you are riding a motorcycle. So diyan na natin magamit on how are we going to bang to the left and bang to the right. Okay? So I was able to prepare a PowerPoint presentation regarding motorcycle riding. Okay? So as you know also, a while ago nag-lecture siya regarding the blow bag. So we have also here the blow bucket. So the battery. So mauna nga itong ganina.